In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change billing currency in Printify. If you sell globally or bank in a different country, setting the right billing currency can help you avoid unnecessary conversion fees and make your bookkeeping cleaner. Here's how to do it, start to finish, right inside your Printify account. Begin by opening Printify and signing in so you land on your dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation sidebar. Find the option labeled Wallet and click it. Wallet is where Printify keeps your payment methods, balance, and billing preferences, so this is the right place to manage currency. Once Wallet is open, switch to the Payments section. This tab holds settings that control how you're charged for orders, auto recharge, and invoices. On this page, locate the area called Billing Currency. This is the currency Printify will use when it charges your card, balance, or other payment method. Next to billing currency, select Change. A list of available currencies will appear. Choose the currency you want Printify to charge you in. A practical tip here: if you usually pay with a card or bank account in a specific currency, pick that same currency to reduce exchange costs. Also consider where most of your expenses are accounted for. Aligning your billing currency with your accounting-based currency can simplify reconciliation. After you've made your selection, review it to make sure it's correct, then confirm by clicking Change. That saves the update to your account. Going forward, new charges, auto recharges, and future invoices will reflect the currency you just set. Past invoices won't be altered, and product prices shown in your storefront remain controlled by your e-commerce platform. This setting only affects how Printify bills you. If you don't immediately see the new currency on screen, give the page a moment or refresh. Some interfaces take a second to update. And if the option to change currency isn't available on your plan or user role, reach out to Printify support for guidance. For best results, review your next invoice or a small test order to confirm the new currency displays as expected and watch for any bank conversion notices. That's it. You went to Printify, opened Wallet, entered the payments section, found billing currency, clicked Change, selected the currency you want, and confirmed the update. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step while you're updating your settings.